may mapipitas na tayo uli. Ito, hinog na to. Dark colors. Woohoo! Try natin.
A little bit sour, but
Itong ganun dark. Okay na yan. Matamis na. Ayan. Dito lang to sa tabi ng bahay. Sa likod.
yeah, I don't know if I'm going to ask Becky about these big runners.
Ayan, meron na siyang hinog. Pero mas maganda yung dark na dark para hinog na hinog, matamis na matamis. Ganon. Ayan.
The rain from the roof, every time it rains, waters them.
It's good.
That one's not ready yet. That one's probably...
Ito, kukunin natin itong dark.